get high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist.
Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can change your Facebook video thumbnail. Let's see. So at first you just go Facebook video options and choose your video which one you want to change. There have more options, just click more options. You can see here a pop-up on screen. You can change your video title from here also, and just and click change thumbnail. Here you can see many options like choose suggested, upload image, choose from video. So I will select choose from video since I already have the video edited one. I already worked at their some title, so I will choose from the video. Yes, this one actually I want the screen thumbnail. I mean the video in the front on will show this image. So I want this one. After select the thumbnail, you just click on save button. So I'm going to just fix. Yes, just save. Also save. Same also you can edit your others video also. Just click view options. And same like you can choose from or upload image. If you choose, you can choose from your video option, or you can upload image. So I will choose again from video since already I have added their title. I have some text, so I will add from video. So I'm just adding my video title. Already there, I fix it and just save and save. So your